Welcome to Sharvil Corporate Training, dear aspirants. We are delighted to offer you advanced training programs in Python and data science, with a specific focus on advanced data analytics. This course is designed to cover 5 essential tools, including Python, Power BI, Tableau, Excel, and SQL. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and practical experience needed to excel in this rapidly growing field. At Sharvil Corporate Training, we understand the importance of hands-on learning. Merely attending and completing the course is not enough to become an expert in data analytics. Therefore, we have designed our training program to include a hands-on lab practical component, allowing you to gain real-world experience alongside theoretical knowledge. We are proud to present an extensive library of industrial use cases and business problems that cover diverse domains such as finance, healthcare, and social sectors. Through more than 100 business problems, practical sessions, critical thinking exercises, and assignments, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Active participation and dedication are key to successful learning. We encourage you to immerse yourself fully in the training, taking advantage of the interactive and live learning experience. Our emphasis on hands-on, project-based learning will enable you to apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios, preparing you for the challenges of the industry. Upon successful completion of the program, you will receive industry-recognized certifications that hold significant value in the job market. In addition, we offer internship opportunities to provide you with practical experience in a professional work environment. We take pride in our track record of placing our students in reputable positions within leading MNCs. To support your career journey, we offer interview preparation sessions and conduct mock interviews to enhance your confidence and readiness. At Sharvil Corporate Training, we are committed to your success. We provide a 100% job guarantee, reflecting our confidence in the quality of our training and placement assistance. For more information and to enroll in our programs, please contact us at the following phone numbers: 902-134-6964 or 8962623662. You can also visit our website at www.sctc.in. Stay connected and updated with our training programs by downloading our Android app, Sharvil Corporate Training. Follow us on social media by searching for Sharvil_corporate_training. We look forward to embarking on this learning journey with you and helping you achieve your career goals in the field of advanced data analytics. Thank you for listening.